You were the passengers of motion commonality, insane into the dying house. True twilight zone.
Hello. Good luck.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door behind That door is opening once again. This time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension.
Here we go. Yeah, here we go, guys.
Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.